Hello guys, my name is Balkrishna and welcome to CodeWithBK. So in this video I'm going to solve question 6 of ICSE Computer Applications paper 2019. So question 6 says, write a program to input 15 integer elements in an array and sort them in ascending order using the bubble sort technique. So very straightforward. Okay. So I'm going to type it on a simple text editor because you people will get a pen and paper to solve this. So I'll try to not make any mistakes before I compile and check this. Okay. So I'll say class ICSE 2019 question 6. Okay, and public static void main and string args. I'm going to use the scanner class to input from the user, so I'm going to import the scanner class and create scanner object to read from the user. Scanner equals to new scanner system dot in. Okay. The first thing, so it says that you need to read 15 values into an array and then sort them using bubble sort technique. Okay, read 15 values. So I'm going to take n is equals to 15. I'll just take it 15 everywhere. For int array to store 15 values. Okay, so int array is equals to new int 15 and 0 I is less than 15 I plus plus. So I'm going to ask for an integer. So system dot out dot print enter integer. Okay, or you can maybe ask something like this, that enter an integer number using the value of I. So I'm simply going to add or enter integer number I plus 1. So maybe we have a count of how many have we input so far. Okay, so enter integer number. Okay, and read this integer. So array of I is equals to scanner dot next int. Okay, and call the bubble sort. I will write this method as a separate starting method within this class, and I pass the array. Okay, print the array. So for int I is equals to 0, I is less than 15, I plus plus system dot out dot print array of I plus a space. Okay, and then change line system dot out dot println. I'm also going to change a line right after reading all the values. Okay, and private static method to read to bubble sort. So that is what they say, right? Bubble sort technique. Okay, so private static void bubble sort. My name of the method should exactly be the same as I'm calling in my main. So bubble sort. Okay, and okay, so for bubble sort, we have two for loops and a straight for loop, and we check the consecutive values. Okay, outer for loop. So for int I is equals to 0, I is less than 15, because I know that the number of values in the array will be 15. Oh, it takes an array. Okay, so int array, and okay, for int j is equal to 0, j is less than 15 minus 1 is 14, and j plus plus. Okay, you can start j with j, you can start j with I, but I always take 0. Okay, so compare and swap. So if array of j, so this has to be sorted in ascending order, right? In ascending order. So if array of j is greater than array of j plus 1, swap. So in temp is equals to array of j is equals to array of j plus 1, and array of j plus 1 is equals to temp. Okay, so let me just quickly revise this. Import java.util scanner class ICSE 2019 question 6. Static void main scanner is equals to new scanner system.in int array is equals to new int 15. Okay, 15 and system.out.print integer number this and read it into array I location. Change a line and call bubble sort array for integers print array of I space and then print change. So for private static void bubble sort int array for int I is equals to 0 15 plus and array of j is greater than array of j plus 1, because if the value before at the value before this value is greater, so we swap. Okay, okay, so let me just copy this and check it in a Java file. Okay, Java C ICSE question 6 dot Java. Oops, Java. No errors. I'm glad. So Java ICSE question 6. Okay, so 23, 45, 74, 89, 15, minus 4, 53, 75, 94, minus 20, minus 12, 79, 1093, 446 and 13 and 58. So you can see these values are sorted into ascending order now. Okay, so this was the solution to this question and I hope this was helpful. So please do like this video and subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Thank you for watching.